Use a flathead screwdriver to uninstall the side panel. Remove the panel. Use a 7mm nut driver to remove the bolts. Lower the glove box. Unclip both sides of the housing cover to remove it. Remove the old filter from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Insert your new filter into the housing, with its airflow indicating arrow pointing down. Close the filter housing door. Reinstall the glove box assembly by aligning their tabs with their catch. Close the glove box. Reinstall the 2 bolts. Reinstall the 2 bolts. Reinstall the panel. Reinstall the side panel by aligning the tabs.
Order your parts today at filterheads.com. Also, please like our video and subscribe to our channel so you won't miss any new content.